In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error called stale plugins cache. This is a common issue that can cause VLC media player to fail on startup, crash unexpectedly, or show plugin-related error messages, especially after an update or system change. The good news is that this problem is completely fixable, and I'll walk you through two proven methods step by step, starting with the recommended advanced option and then a simpler reset option if you want the easiest fix. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll cover option 1, which is manually regenerating the VLC plugin cache. This method is recommended for advanced users and is the most reliable way to fully resolve the stale plugins cache error. To begin, open your File Explorer and navigate to your VLC installation directory. On most Windows systems, this will be located at c:/programfiles/videolan/VLC, or if you're using the 32-bit version, c:/programfiles/x86/videolan/VLC. Once you've confirmed that VLC is installed there, leave that folder open for reference. Next, you need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because the cache generation tool needs elevated permissions to modify plugin files correctly. When the Command Prompt window opens, you're going to run the VLC cache generator. Type the following command including the quotation marks and then press Enter. c:/programfiles/VLC/vlc-cache-gen.exe followed by c:/programfiles/videolan/VLC/plugins. If your VLC installation path is different, make sure to adjust the command accordingly. After you press Enter, the tool will regenerate the plugin cache automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the process is finished, completely close the Command Prompt window. Now restart VLC Media Player. When VLC opens again, the stale plugins cache error should be gone and everything should work normally. If that solved your issue, you're all set. Now let's move on to option 2, which is a simpler method and works well for most users who don't want to use Command Prompt. This option involves resetting VLC preferences back to their default settings. Start by opening VLC Media Player as you normally would. At the top of the window, click on the Tools menu, then select Preferences. You can also open preferences using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux or Command+, on macOS. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a button labeled Reset Preferences. Click on that button. VLC will show a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to reset all settings. Click OK to confirm. This will restore VLC to its original default configuration, which often clears plugin cache issues automatically. After resetting the preferences, completely close VLC Media Player. Make sure it's not running in the background, then reopen it. In most cases, the stale plugins cache error will now be fixed. If this video helped you fix your VLC issue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.